green bell peppers, red bell pepper, diced white onion, coming in with some minced garlic, perfect. Now we're just gonna dice up some bacon here. Now the bacon will need longer to cook, so I'm using pre-cooked bacon just to make it easy peasy. But of course you can cook your own bacon or use a breakfast sausage. Really whatever you like will work perfectly. And just make sure these are kind of like separated here. Perfect. This is looking beautiful. A little bit of Mexican style blend. We're just gonna do a sprinkle. You could use a cotija cheese. That would be really fun with this, considering it's corn. You could almost do it like a Mexican style elote sort of corn. That would be awesome. A little bit of pink sea salt. This is gonna make it so yummy. Perfect. Some ground black pepper, just a pinch. Now we'll just put the lid on here. We're gonna let this cook for 3 minutes. Alrighty, y'all. It is ready. We will just grab our corns right out of here. Whoop. Put that on a plate. It is hot. And now let's get this to the counter. Alrighty, everybody. This is going to be the perfect thing for you to make for your Thanksgiving breakfast. The kids are going to love this. Just flip it over, super easy, just like that. It did have a 5th corn, but we cut it off. Alrighty, let's see what we, oh my gosh. This is awesome. Look at those corns. A little bit of hot sauce on here. And I don't know about you guys, but I love corn because it's got the juice. And that was one of my favorite songs. I still enjoy it. I still quote it. That little boy is so cute. Look at that. Perfectly cooked. Oh my goodness. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Like, this is just perfect. You can eat this Thanksgiving morning while you're watching the parade, and it'll tide you over until it's time to eat your Thanksgiving dinner. With those yolks, so decadent. Y'all, you gotta try this.